Presenting the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat, vinyl seats and pass-through rear seat. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.